Office 2016 is here, the newest version of Microsoft's famous Office, Excel, and PowerPoint. Everything looks pretty familiar in here, but there are some new collaboration tricks that are supposed to rival Google Docs. Google pioneered the idea of letting multiple people edit a document at the same time. I gave it a try with Word 2016, but it can't really keep up. I'm going to share this doc with my colleague Wilson. Okay, first I have to save it to the cloud. I see Wilson's OneDrive folder there because I've shared with him before, so I'll try saving there. Uh-oh, what's going on? Anyone there? Anyone there? Looks like we have to force close Word. Good old Control-Alt-Delete. Microsoft Word, end the task. Let's try this again. This time I'll save it to my own OneDrive and enter Wilson's email to share. Okay, there's his email. Great, now let's go check out what's happening on Wilson's computer. He's got an email from me. Okay, he'll click and that opens an Office Online web page. Okay. We want to edit this thing, so he'll click that button, and it just asks another question. He'll click that option. The web browser is warning us that opening this doc could be dangerous. That's weird, but okay. Psych! My Word doc is there, but he's got yet another warning. Word launched in some kind of protected mode. Why does this whole Word sharing experience presume you're opening a file sent by a villain? Click Enable Editing, and now back to my computer. He's finally in the document with me. Thankfully, he was also using Word 2016 for Windows. It won't work on a Mac, a phone, or a tablet. I want to edit that first section, but it looks like Wilson is editing it, so I can't access it. Hey Wilson, get out of my section. Now, I'm just going to go ahead and make some changes to the preamble here. We the people of who buy lots of technology. All right, let's see what Wilson thinks of my changes. Sometimes this live editing isn't quite so live. I'll have to hit save so he can see it. It looks like Wilson would rather go back to the Google Docs, and I don't blame him. Microsoft is offering collaboration circa 2008, not 2016.